The instructions are to find the product and simplify your answer. So you're going to take the first term, the monomial, out here, and you're going to distribute that throughout the parentheses. So I have a negative 4 times a negative. Well, that makes a positive 4. But I still have the variables to deal with. A squared times a squared is a to the 4th power, 2 plus 2. Repeat the process for the middle term. So this time, I have negative 4a squared times negative 4. That's a positive 16. But the variables have to be dealt with as well. We have a squared times a, which makes a to the 3rd power now. Because if I have two of them multiplying here, and I'm multiplying with a third one, we can write that as a to the 3rd. And one last distribution. So I have a negative 4 times a negative 2, which is a positive 8. And the variable, no change, but I have to remember to bring it along for the answer. From here, if you had any like terms, you would combine those. But we don't have any like terms. The variable is the same, but the power is different. So what you're looking for is any other a to the 4ths. No, there's no other. A to the 3rds? No, there's no other. A squareds? No, that's it. So this is actually simplified as far as it can be. That's your final answer.